Experiencing an internal server error on Redpocket's app or portal? This error, technically an HTTP 500 code, indicates a problem on Redpocket's side, but often has a quick fix on your end. It usually surfaces during high traffic, affecting logins, account access, or payments. Don't worry, here's what to do immediately. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Then, verify your Redpocket app is updated to the latest version, 4.8.2, as of August 2025. If problems persist, try logging in via a different browser like Chrome instead of Safari, or even another device. If you still have issues, move on to clearing your app's cache. The next topic, which is the fix that has worked for most users and is the simplest and most effective first step. The most common cause of persistent internal server errors is corrupted cache data. To clear the cache on your Redpocket app for Android or iOS, navigate to Settings, then Apps, then Redpocket, then Storage, and finally Clear Cache. For the online portal, use your browser's tools, usually Control-Shift-Delete in Chrome, to clear cached images and files. This resolves the error in about 70% of cases. If you're facing payment failures during top-ups or plan activations, retry the payment after a few minutes, as Redpocket has built-in redundancy. If it fails again, switch to an alternative payment method, like PayPal, instead of a credit card. A key tip: check Redpocket's status page at status.redpocket.com to see if there are any known outages. If issues continue, contact Redpocket support at 1-888-993-3366 for further assistance.